Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making some breakfast corn muffins. And these are the ingredients that you need. This is Jiffy corn muffin mix. So we have one package of this. We're going to make this the same as according to package directions with 1 egg, some milk, and some butter. But then we're going to have some add-ins. We're going to add in some scrambled eggs, some fried up luncheon meat, and some cheese. So first, let's get started with our luncheon meat. We're going to cut this, we're going to dice this, and then we're going to fry it in the pan. Okay, so here's the luncheon meat taken out of the pan. And I'm not going to use all of this. I'm only going to use some of this for now. Just cut you a few slices so you can dice them up. Okay, so now we're going to put this in our pan and fry it up. Now while that's cooking, we're going to crack 3 eggs, scramble them, and set them to the side so we can get ready to cook those too. Okay, our luncheon meat is done. So take this, set this to the side, and now we're going to scramble our eggs. Okay, and we're going to use the oil from this pan to scramble our eggs. And don't forget to lightly season your eggs. You don't want to add too much salt because the meat is going to be salty already. Okay, so the eggs are done and I've set those to the side. Now we're going to make the Jiffy cornbread mix according to package directions. So open up, this is just one package. Put that in. Along with 1 egg, 1/2 a cup of milk. It doesn't have to be 2%. It could be whole milk or 1%, your choice. And also 3 tablespoons of butter, melted. And then give this a mix. Okay, now that this is mixed up, now we can put in the add-ins. We're going to add in about 1/2 a cup of cheddar cheese. Add the cheese of your choice, whatever you like. Next, we're going to add in our scrambled eggs. And next, we're going to add in our diced luncheon meat that's been fried. You can add sausage, bacon, whatever meat you have. Ham, whatever meat you have. And then we're just going to give this a mix. Just fold this in like this. And with this, you could add a tablespoon or 2 of maple syrup, or if you don't have that, you can add pancake syrup. So now mix this up, and we're going to get our muffin pan ready. Okay, set this to the side, and let's get our muffin pan ready. This is a silicone muffin pan, and just spray it with some oil. Okay. Now we're going to use our ice cream scoop and scoop out the mixture and fill up the muffin pan, fill up the muffin cups to about 2/3 full. So our muffin cups are filled up and they're ready to be put in the oven. They're a little bit more than 2/3 full, but they'll be fine. So that mixture makes 12 full muffins. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven. The oven is set to 400 and let it cook for 13 to 15 minutes. Or until you put in a toothpick and pull it out and it's clean. Okay, here are the corn muffins. I tested them. I'm going to test them again to show you. And make sure that you test a couple of them because you might accidentally get some cheese on your toothpick. So make sure you know the difference between the cheese and getting the batter, having the batter on your toothpick. Yes, these are clean. Now just let these cool. Set these to the side and let these cool. Okay, these corn muffins are done and they came out great. Be careful, these are still a little hot. Okay, let's break one open. Break this one open. These look delicious. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.